Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today in our tech news, this is a big story for security and for fraud. Microsoft has a digital crimes unit, and they actually have seized multiple domains that all are Vietnam-based, and basically they actually disrupted some cyber gang that, hold on to this, held 750 million fraudulent accounts. And it would sell them like this. So you could see here, price per account. So imagine, the price isn't high. You look at the prices here in dollars. But if you look at the fact that 750 million of them were available at that price, well, that's millions of dollars still. So basically they were creating and processing all sorts of things. So they were, of course, stealing accounts. So if you lost control of your account by a hacker or hacker gang, it's possible that that group is behind it. But they also were creating accounts very similar to existing accounts. So they would use a name, company name, or maybe some username that exists in its email, and make it real close and actually use that information to try to kind of lure people into thinking you're the right one. You know, we often, when we type an email manually, for example, well, there's a risk that sometimes you might make a typo or you might, have a wrong letter here or there. Well, they actually, one of the things they would do is actually look into that and say, what are the most frequent errors that people make? And actually, there are domains like that. And so one of the reasons why Microsoft also was pretty heavy in checking this group out is that a lot of the domains were Hotmail, Outlook, Microsoft related most of the time. And of course, this was to fraud people. So basically, when you have all of these that you can use, you can send fraudulent emails. You can, of course, pass for somebody else and try to scam people. One of the reasons I always say it's extremely important to understand that if you lose an account because your passwords are bad, don't think that it doesn't matter. It is important because you are now exposing friends and family that you might have contacted through that email to fraudulent attacks. And because they're going to think it's you, well, you are responsible for them losing money, basically. So stop thinking about just you and only you. This is a global thing, and your family and friends could actually lose money because you are careless. So pretty big story here. The group is called Storm 1152, and they were continuing to register more and more and more fraudulent accounts of all sorts. So this, of course, made them make millions of dollars. So they would sell all of that online to cybercriminals of all sorts. And this is one of the things that happens online. So there are also not just Hotmail accounts and Outlook domains and stuff like that. There were also Meta accounts, so Facebook accounts, and of course with what comes with Messenger, and a lot of social media accounts, Twitter accounts, all sorts of accounts. This is only one. What you see here is only one part of it. So pretty crazy when you think about it, what they do today. And fortunately, now they are going to face, of course, some trial. Hopefully, they'll have some jail sentence or something. But at least one chunk of all of this is off. But remember that this is a drop in the ocean. 750 million. Imagine all the other groups, what they could have probably do right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.